Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AOL step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.aol.com and press enter. Wait for the AOL homepage to load completely. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your AOL email address in the first text field. Double-check for any typos in your email address. Click on the Next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully in the provided field. If you want the system to remember you, check the box next to Stay Signed In. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your AOL account dashboard. If you encounter an error message, review your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account if needed. Once logged in, you can access your emails, news, and other features available in your AOL account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.